Hi guys, this is Nishant from Simply Interiors. Unlike a few other days, I actually have the camera in my hand because this video will require me to move around a little bit. Please don't mind the shaking. Today we will be talking about modular kitchens. Now everybody feels that that's what a kitchen is, and a lot of queries that we get is people asking us for interiors, and they simply go ahead and say, I want interiors done for my house, which includes a modular kitchen. Most of these people have no idea what is a modular kitchen. So we just thought we'll take some time out and discuss what exactly a modular kitchen means. Does it mean the finish? No, it doesn't. Does it mean the kind of material which is going inside? No, it doesn't. What does it mean? It just means that the kitchen is built in modules. So the kitchen that you see behind me, that's the kitchen that is built in modules in a factory, and we have installed it here. Now if you see that this kitchen right here, okay, it's made in PU finish. Okay, this is not your regular laminate or acrylic finish, this is PU finish. Even PU finishes it is possible to make in modular form. Now how do you know that this is a modular kitchen? So if I actually open this door, okay, let me try and open another one. Yeah, okay, so I'll open this door, these two doors here, okay, and what you see here is that this unit is a box, okay, and you can make it out from the bottom. Okay, this unit is a box, so this is a separate box, this is a separate box. Okay, can you hear it? Yeah, so this is a separate box, this is a separate box, and all these boxes are actually attached to each other and to the wall here in the site. Now they are made in factory. So what I mean they are made in factory is that, so there is a boiling waterproof plywood inside. So the boiling waterproof plywood is, the laminate is stuck on the ply, then the edge bandings are clay pasted on that, then it is cut in the required ways, and then these pieces come here. They are pre-measured, pre-done up. They just come here and they're screwed together here. That's it. Nothing else happens in the site. That's a modular kitchen. So tomorrow, the advantage of a modular kitchen is obviously tomorrow if I have to remove this, okay, I just have to remove this box. I can you see those screws there, right up there, okay, I just have to remove this box and I can replace this box with another one. I can also remove this box and take it elsewhere and fix it anywhere I want. It has nothing to do with the finish. Like you see, this is PU finish, polyurethane finish, which we'll be talking about in another video, but it has nothing to do with the finishes. Similarly, it has nothing to do with the kind of hardware which goes inside. Okay, so you can have whatever hardware you want in a modular kitchen as well. You can just simply talk about the hardware. You can say what kind of hardware you want, and the designer will make sure that you get that. If possible, of course, they will tell you if it is possible or not also. So that is it. There is nothing else in a modular kitchen. Now, one advantage I have told you, that it is easy to remove. Another advantage obviously is that it is easy to clean. It takes lesser time for installation. So if you have the modules which are pre-made and it is coming on the site and then getting installed, obviously it will take lesser time for installation. If on the other hand you are building everything on the site, or it is not really modular in nature, it will still require equal amount of work to be done on site, and it may take a little longer time. But that really, I mean, that's should not ideally be the reason why you go for a modular kitchen, because time taken now, you know, that extra 1 week or 10 days taken now could actually impact your entire house for the rest of the time you're living there, which could be a few years. So that should not be a consideration in my opinion. As long as finishes are concerned, as I told you, PU is probably the most difficult finish to do on any place, and this has been done by ICA. So finishes are not the reason why a modular kitchen is selected. A disadvantage in a modular kitchen, so like you saw this one, so there is an extra ply in between, right? So if the kitchen was built on the site, we will put only one ply and both the doors will be supported on that one ply. You don't need to. Now obviously that becomes a disadvantage for a modular kitchen because that much space is being wasted. Another disadvantage in a modular kitchen comes in because these modules, these boxes, like you know, these boxes are basically being pre-built and got here. So the angles are all 90 degrees, right? Now if this wall is not 90 degrees, then I'll have a problem. So what we normally do is, while taking the measurements themselves, there will be a little bit of margin which will be kept. So like I can't really show you a margin here right now. So there will be a little bit of margin which will be kept, and that much space. So let me show you here. Yeah, let me show you here. So this, for example, you see this space, right? So this space is automatically considered as wasted because this will have to be a dummy, right? Now if that is the case, then obviously what do you do? Now that is a small disadvantage that a modular kitchen has. So if space is a constraint, try to not go for a modular kitchen. If space is not a constraint, time is a constraint, go for a modular kitchen. But please talk to your vendors whether they can actually do the modular kitchen, or they're just saying that a modular kitchen is being done. Because if a carpenter is coming over and doing the work on the site, he's not making a modular kitchen for you. He's definitely making a kitchen and saying that it's a modular kitchen. Keep those things in mind when deciding what kind of kitchen you want to go for. Thank you guys. This is Nishan signing off. Take care.